Hi everyone, my name is Anicia and I'm a senior here at Ukaegbu High School and I take Mr. Ukaegbu's Statistics and Probability class. Statistics is a branch of math that involves the collection and interpretation of quantitative data.
My name is Carrie. I'm a senior at Ukaegbu. I'm in Mr. Ukaegbu's trigonometry class. The reason I like the class is because it's interesting, it has real-world problems, and it's interactive.
My name is Willis.
I'm Bobby.
And we are seniors in Mr. Ukaegbu's Probability and Statistics class. We have a lot of pros of being in this class because he's a really nice teacher, He's a fun teacher, he's very hands-on. Wouldn't trade him for the world.
Fun facts about him is, I like when he working, he be like, it's getting hot in here. I dancing and laughing. He always make the math situation about a real world situation that he been through later on down his life, and he just gave good advice.
My name is Walter. I'm a senior at Duval High School. I'm taking Mr. Ukaegbu's Probability and Statistics class. One thing that y'all should know before you enter this class is that it's very fast-paced, and when you first enter, it's like really intimidating. There's like days that I was just like, we just started doing this, and now we're already taking a quiz after. But yeah, you want to be ready when you enter this class.
My name is Aaliyah and I'm Ashley and we're both seniors in Mr. Ukaegbu's Probability and Statistics class.
And today we're going to be interviewing a couple members in our class.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Jumbo.
My name is Lulu.
Alaji. Mujib.
Yashua.
Okay, so your first question is, what were your first impressions when you entered this class?
First impression is I felt like the teacher was kind of funny, but also the material was somewhat intimidating, even though math is
I'll be honest, when I got into the class, I was wondering how my schedule, like how did trigonometry get put on my schedule, because I definitely didn't deserve to be in that class, but yeah, that was probably my first impression.
My first impressions when I entered this class was this class might actually not be as challenging as I thought, because the way he teaches and the way that he kind of presented, how we would take notes and how we would write the stuff on the board, I felt like it wouldn't be that difficult. So yeah, those were kind of my first thoughts.
When I first entered his class, I was just thinking like, I'm gonna have to apply myself this year, because like from day one, like we was already moving into the curriculum. You feel me? It was just no wait time.
For me, like the first thing I thought when I got into the class, it was like to like get on the teacher's good side. Like I gotta get on the teacher's good side, so just in case like I have problems down the line, I'll be able to, talk to the teacher and he'll be able to be a bit understanding with me,
Okay, so your next question is, what's your biggest struggle in this class?
Pop quizzes.
definitely memorizing the formulas.
The test.
Remembering the topics that we have to do when a pop quiz comes up.
Okay, and your last question is, what's your biggest takeaway from taking this class?
My biggest takeaway is I feel like a lot of this stuff can be applied in real life. Like I learned a lot about trying to find the area and stuff with triangles.
Biggest takeaway from this class is that math is actually applicable to real life situations, especially statistics. Is kind of the most applicable math because it works with data and numbers and how it affects people.
My biggest takeaway is that you just have to study the information that you learn. Like in the classroom, you gotta take it home with you, because you're not gonna remember everything from class.
My biggest takeaway was being able to apply myself more and being able to retain more information when I do things.
My biggest takeaway was that if you ever miss a day or not paying attention in class, like that could really affect you in your learning in the class.